Hello, everyone. Most people aren't one paycheck away from being broke. They are one broken car part away. 60% of adults can't cover a $1,000 emergency with cash. Today, we change that. Welcome to the 30-day emergency fund sprint. Our goal, $1,000. Our timeline, 30 days. Sarah is starting at zero. To win, she needs to find $33.33 a day. It sounds impossible until you break the blueprint. Days 1 to 10, the audit. Sarah cancels 3 ghost subscriptions and commits to brown bagging her lunch. Savings, $250. Look at the thermometer. The base is starting to glow. Thermometer rises to $250. Days 11 to 20, the liquidation. Sarah lists 5 items on 2026's top resale apps: an old smartphone, a camera she never uses, and a designer bag. Cash generated, $450. The momentum is building. Thermometer hits $700. Days 21 to 30, the final push. Sarah spends 2 hours an evening on high-demand micro-hustles. It's not a career, it's a sprint. She brings in the final $300. Thermometer hits $1,000 and explodes with confetti. Day 31. The emergency happened, but the stress didn't. Sarah didn't use a credit card, she used her system. That $1,000 is more than money. It's sleep, it's security, it's the start of your wealth. Download our 30-day sprint tracker in the description, subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth, and let's build your fortress together.